So, is Ethereum the biggest opportunity in crypto right now? We're going to answer that. I'm going to give you my opinion. My name's Austin. If you're new to me, please consider subscribing to the channel. I cover Ethereum, I cover Bitcoin, XRP, all major alts, with really two goals every single day to help you make more money in crypto and keep you better and more informed. And I want to hear from you. What do you think? Drop in the comments below. What do you think? Do you think Ethereum is one of the biggest opportunities in crypto? And yes, I know if you've been around for more than 2 or 3 years that Ethereum was in all essence asleep and kind of missing from the party for years, leading up to now back into 2025. Okay. But it's interesting because how I look at Ethereum is whether Ethereum is the biggest opportunity from a X from here, 2X, 3X, 4X from here, I still consider Ethereum to be, regardless, one of the best investments that I know hands down is going to go up over time. That's kind of how I look at it. And I look at it as a core part of a good diversified crypto holding portfolio. I own Bitcoin, I own Ethereum, I own XRP, Cardano, so forth. And so that's really, if I was really distilling it down, it's one of the main reasons I own Ethereum. And this is outside of the technology, outside of all that kind of stuff. I mean, it is the layer one. We all know it is the layer one. Okay. And is Solana ever going to overtake it? I don't personally think so. I think adoption for Ethereum and companies building their apps and building on top of the Ethereum ecosystem is going to continue to outpace other layer ones. Now, that doesn't mean that I don't want to own those as well. I own Solana, I own Cardano, so forth. Okay. But I thought that one of the best ways to show you kind of the opportunity that is Ethereum is right here. Okay. So before we jump into this, let me share this with you. Down in the description below, if you're watching this on X below this video, there's a free link to my newsletter. And it is free. It is a newsletter to help you generate more profit, more wealth with crypto and stocks. So go sign up for that. It's 100% for free. Links in the description below. Go get that. Okay. So with that, let's take a look at what Tom Lee said. Now, Tom Lee, if you don't know who he is, I just did this for you. Tom Lee is a very, very famous analyst, 25 plus years. He's a regular contributor on CNBC. I watch him on YouTube and things of this nature. Very, very, very smart guy. He's the head of research and managing partner at Fundstrat Global Advisors. Okay. Raiders excited about me talking about Tom as well. But he's got some really good sound bites and good. And again, this is a guy who is really coming out and giving a lot of anecdotes and a lot of reasons why Ethereum is one of the most significant cryptos as we roll into, you know, the next year, 2, 3, 5, from a technology standpoint, but also from a development and an investing standpoint. So he discusses bullish call for ETH and why, quote, Ethereum is having its Bitcoin 2017 moment again. He talks here about why Ethereum is better than Solana. And I'm not going to click into any of these videos. By the way, I just did Ethereum and then Tom Lee and found him. Tom, he's saying it's better than Solana. And I don't really, that's not the point of the video. It's like, is it better than Solana or not? It's the bullish stance that is continuing to evolve and continuing to emerge from this. Look at this. He's right here. 2025 price prediction for Ethereum, 10 to 15,000 makes sense. Well, Ethereum right now is trading at 4,300. Its all-time high is 4,953 set about 15 days ago. So, you know, in essence, a 3X from here is quite possible, is what Tom's talking about. I think that's very doable. I think it could be low. If we see Bitcoin go to its expected 150 to 200,000 by the end of 2025 in the fourth quarter that we're about to be into, starting October, November, December, I think Ethereum is going to, number one, it's going to roll right along with that, and it's going to go up with Bitcoin outside of its own catalysts and things of this nature. And again, it just kind of continues to go on. Talks about it hitting 15, 16,000. But this is just one individual that's out there talking positive for Ethereum. And if we really want to distill it down, look, here's what it comes down to. Whether you think Ethereum is the biggest and best opportunity in crypto, that's your opinion. I think it's one of, and I said this earlier, from an X standpoint, and how much it can go up exponentially. Like, I think XRP has a lot more room to go, 5X, 10X, 20X from here. But that doesn't mean I want to go all in on XRP. And I love XRP. I own XRP. But that's why I love Ethereum in association with my Bitcoin my XRP. Again, diversifying my risk, right? I'm not all in on anything. I'm not all in on Bitcoin. I'm not all in on any crypto asset. I'm a good diversified investor. And that's why I think XRP is a great asset to own. But I think Ethereum is a great asset to own because look, bottom line, if you look at what it is, and it is the layer one in crypto, that's not going to go away. They're excited. Sorry, somebody must be out in the front. Apologize for the dogs barking. I just think it's going to be a great crypto to own. So let me know your thoughts. Drop in the comments below. Sorry. See you. Bye.